Morning, my dear students of class 6th. Hope all are doing well. Today in English, we are going to do imaginative writing. So let's begin. It is a part of composition. And from the word imaginative, my dear children, you can judge out that it means imagination. Many a times we write about things that are not real but imaginary. Such type of writing is called imaginative writing. In imaginative writing, we can use imaginary or unreal characters and objects, put them in strange places, make them do unbelievable things, and also give them superpowers. Let us read this imaginative essay below to get a clear idea. Imagine your house had wings. What would you do? Where would you fly? So, what is the situation that you have to imagine your house had wings? So, how we will begin? If my house had wings, I would fly so high up in the sky that I could see mountains, rivers, seas, and the earth below. So, this is the house that is flying. But I have never seen in my life this type of house. Since it is an imaginative writing, so we have to imagine. The situation has been given to you, and many other situations like this will be given. So you have to imagine, which is unreal. Now you can see the unreal situation in this imaginative writing. I would be able to see different views of the earth from the sky. I could fly low with all the birds and feel like a bird too. If my house had wings, it would be better than flying in an aeroplane. I could fly to faraway lands and visit new places around the world without a passport or a visa. I would be flying free of cost, anytime, anywhere. If my house had wings, it would be like a dream come true. How I wish this was possible. So we can use would and could, and we have seen the frequent use of these two words. So these words are often used in such imaginary or unreal situations. Would expresses the idea of probability, willingness, and the desire that something be done. Could is used for saying that somebody had the ability or was allowed to do something. In imaginative writing, we are allowed to write as per our imagination. We should make use of such imaginative words or characters as aliens or fairies to make our essay more fascinating. So here is one more example. If I were a scientist, I would discover all the secrets of nature. I would find out where the world ends, where the sky begins, where galaxies meet, and what lies out there beyond black holes. I would invent many useful things. A vehicle running on salt water for fuel, and a refrigerator running on the smell of food kept inside. I would make a chemical which, when spread in nature, with renew and make it fresh, it would never allow the environment to get polluted. I would invent another chemical, one drop of which would give rise to 100 trees at the same time. I would make a computer showing the future and saving people from cyclones, earthquakes, and terror strikes. I would make life possible on more planets to prevent overpollution. I would make world a better place to live in with no fear of global warming. If only I were a scientist. I hope, my dear children, now you understood what an imaginative essay is. So, this was all for today. Goodbye. Thank you all. Keep learning and practicing.